Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a book review of The Scarlet Knights by Mayur Patel. Scarlet Knights is a psychological thriller. For those of you who have read Sidney Sheldon and have loved some of his works, this is a book that you would want to pick out. In this book, we see a young and independent female, Malvika Chauhan, who runs a very elite beauty parlor in Mumbai. Now she lives alone, she has a boyfriend, and life is going good. She's earning really good money. Now everything is going fine until another character is introduced in this book, and that is Margarita. Margarita lives a very promiscuous life. She's carefree. She doesn't care, and she's very steadfast in her beliefs. Now the thing is that Margarita's actions are affecting Malvika's life. Margarita can have fun, but the bad effects of her actions are coming on Malvika's life. Now, how is that possible is what consists of the climax of this book. Now, this is a very short book which is about, say, around 221 pages. The pace of the book is very fast, so if you pick it up a day or two, you'll be able to complete it. It's a really interesting book. The plot is, really intricate. It's something that you might not have read especially in Indian authors, you might not have read this book. So if you like psychological thrillers, pick this book up.